Aloha everyone, it's Candace, Divine Breath Yoga, here to offer you a sunset serenity moment, but without the sun tonight. So I invite you to gather your favorite sunrise or sunset into your mind's eye, or to light a candle and gaze upon that fiery flame. But we like to fix our eyes on the light, the giver of light, the light of life is our focus of this series. So I invite you to find a gentle rest, whether that's seated in a chair, whether that's laying down, or if your gentle rest is moving your body, maybe like you're swaying like a boat floating out at sea, a gentle rock from side to side. Find your rest, whether that's in gentle movement or if that's in stillness. And as you rest, start to notice if there's any places in your body that need you to support them. Finding a pillow to add, maybe just giving a big breath out where your shoulders melt down. As we get settled into our meditation time, it's a chance to notice the body. And if it's talking and telling you to take extra care, we take a few breaths just to make those changes, to make the body perhaps a little more comfortable. And then keeping your eyes fixed on the light, whether it's with your eyes closed and you're imagining in your mind's eye a sunrise, sunset, or perfect flame that comes to your memory. I invite you to notice your breath and slowing down your breath. Perhaps you're hearing the rain here in Hawaii and letting that rain melt your body down. Imagine feeling a raindrop hit your body in different places, and each time that gentle rain taps your skin, you let that area melt and relax. So feeling that water drip, melt, relax your body. That gentle cue of noticing the serenity that comes from just slowing down and melting away any places that are tense. And perhaps maybe you take that drippy, rainy, melty feeling more into your body to melt down and relax like you're sinking into a nice warm puddle. Letting go. Letting go of any tension. Maybe you feel like you're floating in that puddle. Maybe it becomes deeper and warmer and lets you relax and float. Imagining that gentle kindness of letting your body calm down, rest, and be held. And again, maybe you aren't still at all. Maybe you are feeling like you're gently bobbing on the water, rocking a little from side to side. Jesus said that he was the living water, that anyone who came to him would never thirst. But sometimes we really do feel parched and worn, like we're going through a dry spell. Sometimes listening to the sound of water, waves, raindrops, the filling of a tub, the boiling of a tea kettle, that water reminds us to live. So as you breathe in the breath of life and welcome it into your body. Let it nourish you. Let it rehydrate you. That breath of life bringing in all that you need. Noticing what's feeling dry in your heart or mind. Maybe you're craving divine love. Breathing in that love and letting the warmth of love rush through your body. Maybe your body is longing for a peaceful feeling. Take in a big breath and drink in the strength and power and comfort of peace. Notice any other things that your body and mind are craving, and ask God, the good gift giver, to wash those gifts into your heart. Welcome in the living water. Welcoming in the living water, the breath of life, to let you spring forth with a sense of renewal. This is our practice, to come and rest by the living water, to soak in the living water like we have roots drawing from the source, refilling us, renewing us with that living water and that breath of life. As I watch the rain come down, I bring you over to my backyard plumeria tree. Now, in the wintertime here in Hawaii, there's very few blossoms left on my tree. But each of those bare tips on the tree are starting to turn green and showing signs of new life. This living water coming and filling this tree with life, drawing the water from the ground up through the roots to the tips of each branch so that it may be renewed and begin again. So too we reach out our branches. Maybe you reach it towards that life source, reaching your hands, your fingers, your gaze. Turn and look to the light of life. Soak in the water. Be renewed. Be restored. Our practice begins by noticing how to support our body in whichever season of life it's in. Renewing and restoring that life by taking a mindful breath of life and by welcoming in the living water to nourish us with the gifts we seek. Love or peace, grace or forgiveness, joy, hope, strength. Our help comes from the giver of life, even when it looks like we're in a state of rest. God is working in us, and God is working through us. So turning back to the mountains, the rain dripping down. This is our sunset tonight. It looks different, without bright light shining through, but God is still there, bringing an end to this day, nourishing the plants with water, giving us the gentle reminder to pause, to notice, and to look for the rainbows. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to one another. Peace be with you.